Liverpool Tower, good afternoon. Student Golf Romeo Victor, Romeo Oscar, PA38 at Kilo with information Oscar, QNH 1015, quest clearance and taxi please.
Romeo Victor, Romeo Oscar, Liverpool Tower, good afternoon. Hold on Kilo after departure, route to leave the controls. Equation including to circuit VFR, not above altitude 1,500 feet, and squawk 7010.
Hold Kilo after departure, cleared into the visual circuit, number of altitude 1,500 feet VFR, squawk 7010, student Golf Romeo Victor, Romeo Oscar.
So Romeo Oscar, correct, taxi holding point Golf, runway 27, QNH 1015.
Taxi holding point Golf, runway 27, QNH 1015, Golf Romeo Oscar.
Right. Walk is set, 7010, parking breakers will leave clear all around, nothing. Let's get going. Turning, increasing, turning. Cool. Open that until we get airborne. It's bloody hot. That winds, that looks a bit dense.
Right, full Papa X-ray, can we expect push and start once the traffic behind us has moved?
Full Papa X-ray, apologies, I couldn't give you a head because the other traffic was waiting to park and it was blocking your push.
Okay, no worries, full Papa X-ray.
Go on, hit it. Get them numbers.
And 434 Whiskey, hold at Alpha 1, have an amendment to clearance. After departure, climb straight ahead, maintain altitude 4,000 feet.
Can you confirm entry in the runway or hold that short or hold short Alpha 1?
Do you not need
And 434 Whiskey, hold at Alpha 1, and after departure, climb straight ahead, maintain altitude of 4,000 feet.
Hold at Alpha 1 after departure. On the runway heading 4,000 feet, Ryanair 434
wow.
Whiskey.
Ryanair 434 Whiskey is correct, hold position.
Oh my god.
NG82 Bravo Hotel, vacate right at taxi via Tango, stand at 51.
Right by Tango, stand 51, NG82 Bravo Hotel.
I would have preferred to be up there right now, because not gonna lie.
Easy 7108, final 27.
7108, clear to land, runway 27, surface wind 300, 10 knots.
Yeah, that was 10 minutes.
Land 27, easy 7108.
Burn all me fuel. Nonsense. I might cruise around at like 70 and focus log sometime. Jokes. Lol, ha ha ha. Can't hear myself? Yeah, I can. No, I can't. Yeah, I can.
Alpha Romeo Oscar, left turn out, clear for takeoff, runway 27, surface wind 290, 11 knots.
Runway 27 clear to take off, Golf Romeo Oscar.
Brakes off. Advanced. Still in the green, fuel pressure's in the green, oil temperature's in the green. Airspeed's alive. 60, gently rotate. In a bird and I flapped it. Jesus, there's loads of birds. I'm not flying into the... there we go. Oh my god, it is so busy. Is that Liverpool's FC's plane? feet. Landing light can come off. West. Northwest.
Ground slow, it's Wizz 1021.
Alpha 19 enter runway 270 Alpha 1. 1021, Liverpool 5, good evening, take any message?
We're ready to copy, shall we contact the ground?
1021, negative, it's me, and you're clear to Varna on a Barton 1 Tango departure, squawk of 4752, slot time at 1705.
Roger, Barton 1 Tango departure, squawk 4752, and copy CTOT, we are fully ready, stand number 7.
1021, push and start approved, stand 7, face east.
Push, start approved, facing east, with 1021.
Right, I'm taking this wide on a delivery.
Tower, hello, this is call from Victor Over November with you again, heading Helsby Hill.
Romeo Victor Romeo November, Liverpool Tower, good afternoon, report at Helsby Hill.
Report at Helsby Hill, call from November.
Golf Romeo Oscar, downwind runway 27, touch and go.
Golf Romeo Oscar, report final runway 27, number 1.
Report final, runway 27, Wilco Golf Romeo Oscar.
Right, brakes are off, undercarriage is fixed, mixture is rich. That can come on.
Golf Romeo November, report final for runway 27. Your number 2, number 1 is a Tomahawk, just turning left base now for a 1 mile final.
Oh.
Report final 27, go from November and copy the traffic.